Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2023 Trailblazer Activ. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in nice shape. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. It's got that two-tone color, the white on the top, silver on the bottom. Looks amazing. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. All right, let's take a close look here. Front bumper's in outstanding shape, very nice. Beautiful condition. Really great shape. Does have a little mark here on this molding here. Besides that, looks good. Headlamps are in beautiful shape. Really nice condition on both sides. Hood's in beautiful condition. Looks really nice. Beautiful shape. Super clean. Very nice condition. Taking a look at the front fender. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful shape, looks very nice. Driver doors in beautiful shape, very nice. Beautiful condition. Let's take a quick look at the mirror. Really nice condition. Rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful shape. Very nice. Outstanding shape. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the rear door. Rear door is in beautiful shape. Hatch looks good. Really nice condition. That two-tone color, look on top and the bottom. Looks amazing. Lower bumper looks good. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. This one has parking sensors. Really nice. Parking sensors. Does have a little bit of wear and tear here. Besides that, looks good. Backup camera mounted right here. Does have a couple little scratches here on the paint. Nothing major, can't even see them. Rear lights are in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Beautiful shape throughout. Hatch is in beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the quarter panel here. On the passenger side, very nice shape. Rear door. On the passenger side, beautiful condition. Front door. On the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Front right fender looks good. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Windshield's in beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the roof. It's got the little roof racks on it. Looks super sharp, really sporty. That antenna's missing. We're gonna go ahead and get one for you. Not a big deal. Does have a couple dents up here on the roof. You can see there. It's got one dent there, one here, one here. Besides, that's in good shape, but it does have a couple dents up there. Very nice condition. Take a look at the windshield on this side. Beautiful shape, looks good. Really nice condition. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our walk around on the outside. Coming up next, we're going to take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, really nice shape. Lock, unlock, power mirrors, power windows. Really nice. Beautiful door panel on this one. Take a look at the driver's seat. Beautiful shape throughout. Very nice condition. Power seat. Lumbar. Very nice. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door in the front. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. Passenger seat, beautiful shape. It is manual, but it's in beautiful condition. It's the Activ seat. Look at that. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door on the driver's side. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Down below here, a little bit of storage. Rear seats also. The leatherette looks really sharp. Really nice condition. Full set of floor mats all the way through. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Amazing condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Beautiful condition throughout. Take a look at the rear seat. Really amazing shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, full set of floor mats. Let's take a look down here. It's got a power plug here, really nice. USBs, really nice accessories there. Up above, headliner looks amazing. Beautiful condition, really nice shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer Activ package. Really nice. Okay, so there's a key fob for it. So it's got lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. Original Chevrolet key. Set that down in the cup holder. It's got a really nice push button start right here. So we're gonna go ahead and press the brake, push the button. Starts right up, look at that. Amazing. Very nice, look at that. Gauges are all testing, going up and down. Fully functional, no issues at all. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage on this one. Mileage on this one is 27,444 miles. It's got the RPM gauge there, fuel gauge, miles per hour gauge, temperature gauge. Really nice. It's got a really nice information center there. We can actually scan through the trip computers. Take a look at the range of the fuel. Instant fuel economy when you're driving. Average fuel economy. Average speed. Miles per hour. Really nice. If you go over to the right, it shows you the air filter life. Tire pressure sensors. Following distance. Oil life. Beautiful. Then it goes to econo here. Gives you all the information for the econo. Really nice. So we'll go back and we'll put it back on miles per hour. Super. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the features on this one. Okay, before we move on here from the cluster, this one has the collision alert in the front. Super nice. Look at that. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors, automatic lights, cruise control on the steering wheel. This is for the information center. We were just using that. That's to hang up. That's to speak. This is the setting for the collision alert in the front. Heated steering wheel. Look at that. Super nice. Okay, let's take a look at the dashboard real quick. The dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks super nice. It's got the stitching on it. It looks really nice. Nice accessory. Leather wrap steering wheel looks amazing. Let's take a quick look at it real quick. Very nice, looks amazing. Let's take a look at the radio. Okay, right now we're at the radio station here. Let's go back to home. We've got all the settings here for audio, AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth audio. Connect your phone there and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connections, look at that. Settings, you have your system settings, app settings, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Super nice. Audio and phone. Rear seat reminder, if you have a small child or something, it reminds you to check the back if you have that on. Collision detection, let's take a look at the safety features this one has. So it has forward collision system, it alerts and brakes, pedestrian collision detection, parking assist, and rear backup camera with the symbol that shows you which way you're going to roll back. Okay, down below here we're looking at the controls for the AC. It has automatic AC. You can set the temperature there for the, look at that. Adjust the temperature, it shows it there on top. Super nice. Okay, then we have heated seats on both of the driver and passenger seat in the front. That is a nice feature. Down below here we have a power plug, USB, auxiliary, automatic transmission. If you put it on L, you can shift it manually through here. Take a look. There's a snow button here, sport mode. This is for to change the tranny or whatever to drive differently. Track control, the lane alert. And this is if you want to bypass the on and off of the engine to save fuel. Usually these vehicles, after they warm up and everything, when you're driving, if you're out of light, it'll go ahead and cut off the engine for a second. And then when the light changes, as soon as you let go of the brake, the vehicle turns on, you continue your drive. Okay, super nice. Look at that. Got a little pocket there for storage. Really good size armrest down there to put your stuff in there. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Up above here, you have your courtesy lights. OnStar passenger airbag. Shows you if the airbag's on or off, depending if somebody's sitting there. Beautiful condition. Okay, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. We're on our way here. Drives nice, feel good. Okay, let's test the brakes out real quick here. Stops beautifully. Accelerates pretty quick. Really nice. Stop sign here. Drives really nice. Really great drive, super smooth. Okay, the only thing we got to do is I'm going to test out the backup camera, and that's pretty much it. Let's find a little spot to go ahead and test that out. It will be good to go. Here's a good spot. Now we're going to go ahead and put it in reverse, and whichever way we turn the steering wheel, those little lines on the screen show up and let us know which way we're going to roll back. So that's a really nice feature. I'm going to go ahead and straighten out here, and we're going back. There you go. Those are the parking sensors functioning there. So you can see there on the cluster it shows up where we're getting close to. So it's super nice. Okay, that's pretty much concludes our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires and take a look at the cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Really nice. Take a quick look here. Rug's in good shape. It's got a little light there. A little bit of pockets here on the side to store some stuff. Down below here, spare tire with jack, all the tools. It's got a bunch of storage here on the side. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a close look here. Very nice. Looks brand new. Really nice condition. Amazing shape. Take a look at the emission sticker here. The bottom of the hood. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Take a look at the rim. Beautiful shape throughout. Very nice. Looks brand new. Okay, let's take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's brand new condition. Looks very nice. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Let's take a close look. Very nice condition. Look at that. Really nice shape overall. Beautiful shape throughout. Okay, we'll take a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition, looks good. Rim is clean, outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2023 Trailblazer Activ model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in nice shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.